It's a good thing we are patient. So now our pop grip is amazing. It is completely extended and you can see how flexible it is. And I'm going to show you some of the primary uses for the pop grip. First off, we can slide our fingers in and you can see how limited you have to have of a grasp in order to hold on to it. So it makes for super easy texting and grasp. Fairly decent grasp. You can apply it between any fingers for the grasp. The other thing you can do is, now that you've got your stable pop socket out, you can use this as a hands-free screen. So it's lovely, and you can sit and watch a video or have your patients watch a video on your device in the clinic. And then a nice application, if they're going to utilize this at home, is the application of the headphones, because they can roll their headphones into their pop grip and then they won't lose them and they can access it later. So that's a very nice bonus with the application of a hands-free holder. Next, you're going to learn how to adapt this for some difficult cases.